Newest Marvel Cock promo codes for September. I'm going to show you the newest Marvel Cock promo codes for September. While each battle is equally exciting, defeating all the powerful villains is never an easy task. You can discover MCO's codes that will give you a ton of useful freebies, including crystals, which help me become stronger and eliminate my opponents more effortlessly. For more Marvel-inspired fun, check out the Marvel Strike Force Codes article to get helpful goodies for free. There are currently no active Marvel Contest of Champions codes. Here, you can see some expired codes. Redeeming Marvel Contest of Champions codes can be complicated unless you head over to the Marvel Contest of Champions Summoners Market page. Then sign in to your Kabam account. Now scroll down until you see the promo code section. After that, type your code into the Enter Your Code text field. In the end, click on the Apply Code button to claim your freebies.